So you started a brand new job, and end of the month comes, you're waiting for your salary to be paid in, it got paid in, and it's different than what you were promised. What happened? Who's at fault? Well, to answer those questions, I've got Tanya Tosen, Master Mobility and Tax Specialist at Tax Consulting SA, on the line. How are you doing tonight, Tanya?
I'm very well, thanks. Sorry, on yourself?
Also very well, thank you. So, what happened? What happened to my salary? First of all, I want to find out from you, employees sometimes find themselves in such a situation. Why? Why does this happen?
Yes, it's actually quite interesting that this happens more frequently. I've started to realize. So I thought it's really worthwhile to write an article about this. So what I can share with everyone listening is sometimes the legal contract or the offer letter that is presented to the employee is not aligned to the payslip. One of the second reasons that this can happen is also that the employer who's provided the employee with a dummy payslip is not fully aligned to their first payslip they receive from payroll.
All right. So if a company's in-house package structuring tools are not aligned with the organization, how can this impact new employees?
So firstly, what you must realize, it creates a lot of confusion for the employee. Secondly, there's trust that's been broken where the employee should be excited about this new event. You've created this trust, within the HR or the payroll environment, which is it's very hard to actually rebuild once it is broken. So this is a massive challenge for your professionals within an organization.
For sure. So, if an employee works pay as you earn, how does that tax work, and how, for the fixed package structures, if you sort of compare the two?
So I think what people aren't aware of, and an employee should realize, is that should they be offered a fixed package where they have no variable pay, the monthly pay-as-you-earn amount should be consistent and there should be no fluctuations because of the sophistication of the payroll systems that have evolved throughout the years. Secondly, employees should also realize that the tax treatment of benefits is complex, but they should also trust their gut. If something looks wrong, they should have the confidence to actually go and approach the respective professionals in the organization and ask why. And if the employee is still not satisfied, they should really look at reaching out to an expert or someone who understands employee and pay-as-you-earn structures and will be able to assist them quite quickly on this.
So, Tanya, how can the Bespoke package structuring, that specific tool, how can that help companies with their current package structuring problems and also the remuneration structure?
So just to give you clarity, if a package structuring tool is designed correctly, it should balance 100% accurately to the payroll. It will also help with double-checking the system to ensure absolute tax compliance. As well, it will also assist your professionals in your organization where they have to run multiple dummy payslips, and especially now with the COVID-19 outbreak, where employers are having a massive challenge to, create these additional structures or reduce packages. It can really help with those efficiencies internally.
That was Tanya Tosen. Thank you so much for taking time to chat with us this evening.
Thank you so much, Cyril. Appreciate it.
Tanya Tosen, Master Mobility and Tax Specialist at Tax Consulting South Africa.